Yeah! What is going on, guys? Jeremy here. Welcome to Valiant. I am starting an absolutely new, to me, this is my first time ever doing a YouTube channel. I am very, very, very excited to be able to do this. I am a very introverted person. Right now, I'm speaking a hell of a lot louder than I usually do, which is big for me. I'm trying to break that shell with creating this channel, exploring the automotive industry, my experience from it, how I grow. That's what I want to capture. I want to capture the golden moments, enjoy my life, look back on this, show kids and whatnot, and go, hey, look what I've done. Hey, inspire, go out, go do it. That's the goal behind this. I do have a project car in the works. I have parts coming in. Behind me is even more parts, but I won't be letting you guys know about that project until a later time. I want to keep it a secret. I want to get hype. I want to get this going. That the project car means so much to me, and I want to see it back on the road. I loved it from the start. It sucked when the previous owner had crashed it, being my brother. Now he's kind of exploring the world with another vehicle. He has a 98 Subaru Legacy GT. You guys will see some of that in some of the videos when we work on it. Right now, he's doing an engine swap. As for my daily car, I will let you guys know in a later video. Yeah, there's a lot to talk about. It's just like a basic economy car, but it's got a lot. But as for my goals of the channel, I want to explore. I want to do more events. I'm a photographer for my job. I work at a dealership, so I'm going to show you guys what I do day to day. My experiences going to auto shows, going to car shows, meeting people, greeting people, doing DIYs, showing you how I take parts off, how I put parts on, the structure of my builds, everything. I just want to go out there and experience and let you guys experience from my perspective of the automotive industry and how unbelievably awesome it is. And that is my ultimate goal for this channel. And there's just so much. I want to meet new people. There's so many ambitions and goals I have in mind. I want to see this grow. I don't even care what comes out of it. I just want to keep doing it and pushing and pushing and pushing, because in the end, this is going to make myself happy, and that's what's most important to me. I want to see you guys happy, enjoying the content. I want to experience, I want to have that joy to just pick up a camera and be like, hey guys, check this out. If you guys want to be on board, thank you. Welcome to Valiant, the newest automotive content channel on YouTube, or at least one of them. If you think you'll enjoy my videos, you like me enough to look at my face and hear my voice, it doesn't annoy you, please subscribe now, hit a bell notification on my page. Let's get some likes up in here, leave some comments. Dude, let's get started. Get some video suggestions. I'll have an email set up below. I'll have my Twitter, my Instagram, all ready for you guys. You can ask your questions, anything you want to do. Comment below, do whatever, like, favorite. Dude, everything means the most to me. I want to hear you guys talk. I want to see what you guys are doing. Please, I'll respond and I'll get back to you guys. We'll share the content, love of the automotive industry, and I'll see you guys in the next video.